Do you know many people are having trouble with powering on their Samsung Galaxy Folder 2 smartphone? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power button on. Hold down the power button for several seconds until the device turns on. Step 2. Follow setup prompts. If it's your first time powering on or after a data reset, follow the prompts on the screen to set up your device. Step 3. Power button off. To turn off your device, press and hold the power button, then select the power off option. Step 4. Obey wireless warnings. In areas where wireless devices are not allowed, such as planes or hospitals, heed to the posted warnings and follow the provided instructions. Step 5. Activate emergency mode. To enable emergency mode, thus minimizing battery usage and limiting some applications and functionalities, press and hold the power button, then select emergency mode. By following these steps, you should be able to switch on and off your Samsung Galaxy Folder 2, enabling basic and emergency operations. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.